Back-to-back updates again from Anambra State. These people are not playing at all. Governor Soludo and his team are seriously putting in the work this time around. Now, guess where they are working on this time? Right by the Government House GRA in Awka. Yes, that same area that has been threatened by flood and gully erosion for years now. But this time around, it's not just talk. They are acting. They are doing the action. They've moved in with heavy equipment and started full-scale reclamation and erosion control right there by Milatel Hotel. And trust me, this is not small work. This area was at serious risk, and if not handled now, it could have caused major damage. But Soludo's solution team is stepping in, back to back, no breaks. It's all part of building a livable and resilient homeland in Anambra State, right? Let's keep watching the progress, you all. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more updates on real-time projects in the southeast of Nigeria.